It's just after 7 a.m. and the city is still waking up. Started my walk from South Military Village Park, one of the quiet pockets of Taipei. Here, you can see the first glimpses of Taipei 101. As I get closer, the contrast becomes clear. Low, older homes and small shops at the base, with one of the tallest skyscrapers in the world standing right behind them. Along the way, I found a long wall covered in children's paintings, fireworks, ponds, a tower drawn in every color. Taipei 101 connects directly to the MRT. This early in the morning, the streets around the buildings are almost silent, clean, organized, and calm. As I walk closer, the architecture becomes even more impressive. So much glass, steel, and marble. Everything polished and spotless, even at this hour. Inside, the lobby feels huge. High ceilings, smooth marble everywhere, and some of the fastest elevators on the planet. I headed down to the lower floors, where the food court and the shops are located. Most of them were still closed at this time, but Taipei 101 is known for its variety of bubble tea shops, Taiwanese snacks, international chains, and a lot of bakeries. This area also leads to sky dining levels, which offer some of the best views in the city. Many people come here in the evening for dinner with a full skyline view. I ended my walk at a small park nearby, taking in one last peaceful view of Taipei 101 before the city got busy.